In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow multiple participants to share their screens simultaneously in a Zoom meeting. This feature is perfect for collaborative settings like workshops, group projects, or team brainstorming sessions where everyone needs to contribute actively, and it can really enhance productivity and engagement. Let's get started by joining or starting your meeting as the host. If you're co-hosting, make sure you have the necessary permissions to adjust the sharing settings. This initial control is crucial because only the host or co-host with sufficient permissions can change the screen sharing settings during a meeting. Once you're in the meeting, take a look at the toolbar at the bottom of your screen. You'll find a green Share Screen button there, which is your gateway to enabling multiple participant screen sharing. Next to this button, there's a small up arrow or caret symbol. Click on that arrow to reveal additional options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Advanced Sharing Options. This will open a pop-up window where you'll configure the settings to allow multiple people to share their screens. In this pop-up, you'll have a couple of important decisions to make. First, you'll see an option for Who Can Share. Here, you want to select all participants if you wish for anyone in the meeting to have the ability to share their screen. This is especially useful in collaborative environments where everyone has content or insights to share. Next, you'll notice an option for How many participants can share at the same time. Here, make sure to select Multiple participants can share simultaneously. With this setting enabled, everyone can click the Share Screen button and present their content concurrently without having to wait their turn. Once you've made these selections, close the Settings window. You've now set up your meeting to allow multiple screen sharing. But what if you want this setting to be applied to all your future meetings by default? There's a way to do that too. You'll need to sign in to your Zoom account from your web browser. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings menu and find the section labeled In Meeting, Basic. Here, look for the screen sharing options, and just like you did in the meeting settings, choose All Participants for the Who Can Share option. Also, ensure that multiple participants sharing simultaneously is enabled here. This ensures a smoother experience for everyone involved, especially when you frequently host meetings that require simultaneous contributions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've empowered your meetings with the ability for multiple participants to seamlessly share their screens at the same time. This can significantly enrich your collaborative sessions, making them more dynamic and engaging. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps make your Zoom meetings more effective and interactive.